Hi everyone, I am doing a review today on the book Herb Magic for Beginners, Down to Earth Enchantments by Ellen Dugan. This is a wonderful book, especially if you're just starting out with magic. Not just herb magic, but magic in general, because it gives you a lot of information on some of the basic beginner tips for spellcasting and magic work. It also breaks down what herb magic is, how you can tap into the energies of herbs, and it gives you information on day correspondences, lunar cycles. And what I really love about this is that it actually provides you with a spell worksheet so you can keep track of your spells, and it actually gives you step-by-step instructions. So if you're new to writing spells and you're not really sure what to do, it actually helps you with that, and you can actually print this out and keep it. So if you need it for more than just one spell, or if you need it to kind of help get you into spell writing, there you go. Another thing that I really love is it offers you a complete list of herbal correspondences and substitutions. So if you're not sure about an herb, or if you have something that you run out of and you need a replacement, it actually offers you information on that. It also has sections for herb magic for prosperity, herb magic for love, well-being, good luck. It's just an overall wonderful book, and I highly recommend it to anyone interested in herb magic or magical gardening. It would be a wonderful addition to your library.